1952 Plymouth Special Deluxe. Average price is $10,511. Bold two-tone paint schemes were a signature part of the 1950s, and the 1952 Plymouth Special Deluxe was certainly a candidate for such a paint scheme. These post-war Plymouth cars were ubiquitous, with parts being relatively easy to find, making them affordable and easy to enjoy as classic project cars. This is a fantastic choice when you're looking for a budget-minded classic car. Power for this early-decade Plymouth car comes from a 218 cubic inch six-cylinder engine that sends 97 horsepower and 175 pound-feet of torque to the rear wheels. While not particularly powerful, the style, build, and impressive ease with which the Special Deluxe can be rebuilt and enjoyed make it a good option when you're looking for your first classic project car.